at another question. Quadratic inequalities. Alright? And of course, once you hear the term quadratic equation, you're of course looking at ax plus bx plus c. Alright? So we have three parts to it. We have the a term, b term, and the c term. Alright? And of course, we have two sets of values once we're dealing with quadratic equations. So let us just rush right into this real quick. So f of x equal 3x squared minus 7x plus 2. Determine the range of values for which f of x is greater than or equal to 0. Alright, so let me rewrite the question. So 3x squared minus 7x plus 2. Now we realize that the a part of the equation has what we call a coefficient of x. So the coefficient of the x squared term is 3. The coefficient of the x term here in the b part is minus 7. And of course c is 2. Alright? In another lesson, I will show you exactly how they arrive at this formula. Ax plus bx plus c. Alright? Since we have a coefficient that is greater than 1 in the a part of the equation, we need to multiply these two together. So that's the a part and the b part. So when I multiply 3 2's, we get 6. Alright, so let me put my 6 right here. Now what we want two factors of 6. And remember guys, factors coming from as far as grade 1. And this is high school stuff, college stuff. And we have to go back to primary. So you see, if the foundation is laid properly at primary school, no problem at high school, no problem at college. Alright? So we know that factors are few. And we know factors comes in pairs. And we know factors are equal to or less than the number that we find in the factor of. So, watch me now. 1 times 6 give us 6. And 2 times 3 give us 6. So therefore, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Now, we want a pair of factors. When we multiply them, we get 6. And when we add them, we get the b term here, which is negative 7. Alright? So, when we add 2 plus 3, we get 5. So we know that can't work. When we add 1 plus 6, we get 7. But 1 plus 6 will give us positive 7, and we want negative 7. So therefore, it will have to be negative 6 and negative 1. Alright? So here we go. Minus 6x 3x squared 1x plus 2. Alright, and we just put these in parentheses and we factor. Alright, so by factoring 3x, let me write this properly, minus 2. And by factoring this, we'll have 1 on the outside, x on the inside, minus 2. And this should be minus 1. Alright, good. So now we are going to take these two on the outside to get one solution. So that would be 3x minus 1. And we're going to take these on the inside to get another solution. You notice x minus 2 is the same thing as x minus 2 over here. So we'll just take 1, which will have, let me put them at the top here. Alright. So 3x minus 1, and then put it, and here we have x minus 2. Alright, now we're going to set this equal to 0. So 3, let me go back to the same color, so I go to blue. So 3x minus 1 equals 0. 3x equal 1. So we get rid of this minus 1 on the other side. So we get positive 1 there. Then 1x by itself, so we divide both sides by 3. So x equal 1/3. That's one solution. And the other solution, now we set this equal to 0 as well. So we go x minus 2 equals 0. X, find the opposite of minus 2, which is positive 2. So x is equal to 2. And that's the other solution. And of course, you could put that on a number line. Alright, so that's how we work that one out. Alright guys, feel free to pause and go through it. If there's any question, leave a comment below. Alright guys, here I've posted a few questions, so just pause the video, work them out. After you're finished, you can type your answers below, or just check right here to see if you're correct. Alright, any question, leave it below. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and remember, the joy of math is hidden in the answer. Yeah? Like, share, tell your friend, listen it again.